Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Gourmet, Baking and Pastry Secrets. In this video, we're going to show you how to cream together butter and sugar, which is absolutely essential for cookies, cakes, and all kinds of pastry making. Getting a good combination of butter and sugar so that it's mixed together makes for an excellent, crispy, crunchy anything you put it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 stick of butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now this can be evaporated sugar, it can be cane sugar, it can be regular white sugar or brown sugar if you please, though brown sugar will have a slightly higher content of moisture. Also, depending on the butter you use, you want to make sure it's either salted or unsalted. And if you choose salted, then you want to make sure and take that into account with whatever recipe it goes into so that it doesn't come out too salty. Now the key here is to mash the butter and the sugar together until it's essentially a creamy paste. If you can get it to where the grains of sugar no longer feel like grains of sugar under your fork, then you've done it right. This takes about 5 or 6 minutes of good mixing. You don't want to do it when the butter's too hard, otherwise you're going to be giving yourself quite a workout. But once you get it done, it is good to go and all set for use in your favorite pastries, cookies, or cakes. Do it yourself gourmet, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.